Welcome to Daintree Rainforest, Australia. In front of us stands a giant ancient tree, rising high above the jungle floor. The branch we are heading for is almost 300 feet up. So, if heights make your heart race, this is where the adventure begins. There it is, the green canopy breaking beneath us. Most people spend their whole lives under that ceiling of leaves, but today, we are above it. From here, the rainforest looks endless, deep, wild, and prehistoric, with the coral sea shining far in the distance. This branch feels like a road in the sky. Every step is slow, every breath feels louder, and below us there are 300 feet of open air. This is the edge. Nothing between us and the ground except wind, height, and courage. Terrifying. Yes, beautiful. Absolutely. This is why we climbed. For the view that belongs to the birds, and today, to us. That was episode 3 of Treetop POV Adventures. In episode 4, the biggest drop yet over a waterfall. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next adventure.